So the ingredients for chicken 65 is, we have here 400 grams of chicken, which has already been marinated in turmeric and salt. We have here garam masala and cumin powder. Here we have coriander powder and chili. What are these? 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, half tablespoons.
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay, half
And
tablespoon
this is the 1.5 tablespoon
of chili, because obviously we like it spicy. Here we have some cornstarch and some potato starch. Yeah. We have curry leaves here, which has already been fried from what it looks like.
No, it's frozen.
Is it frozen? Okay. So when we fry it, it should defrost. Some garlic and
garlic and ginger.
some yogurt.
3 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of the cumin seed, and some tomato ketchup and the chili sauce.
So yeah, so this is the ingredients that we have. So now we're going to use the powdered ingredients and put it in with the rest of our chicken.
So coriander, garam masala, cumin powder, chili powder.
Chili.
So because already I put the salt, so I'm not going to put the sauce.
We've already marinated it with the salt earlier, so no need to add extra salt.
Mix this on. And I'm going to put corn flour.
Corn flour and the potato starch.
I'm going to put half of the yogurt because I need the half yogurt to make a sauce.
So yeah, we want to use half of the yogurt.
And some ginger garlic. Chopped ginger garlic. Mix everything together.
After mixing it well, we're going to start
deep frying the chicken.
Frying the chicken. Look at it sizzle. So how long are we going to cook this, Mom? Until it browns?
Until it's brown. It's nearly 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes or so, but keep an eye on it. Making the most of the nice weather by cooking outside today. So we're cooking chicken 65, which is a popular South Asian dish. So hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Getting my chef on while the main chef is away. The sous chef comes out to play. The chicken is nearly done, so we're going to transfer it across to a bowl. This is because we need to cook a few vegetables afterwards. Now we're going to make a sauce to go with our chicken 65. So we're going to add the ketchup and the
chili sauce.
The chili sauce in with the yogurt, like so. Mix it thoroughly together.
Meantime, heat the oil.
Yeah, so we've got some of the chicken goodness still in the pan.
So I'm going to put the cream cheese and the
add the chicken. Now we're going to add the sauce in with the chicken while it's still in the pan. And then mix it through.
put some salt to taste.
So yeah, add a little bit of salt to taste. And then mix it through again. So now, just transfer it over to a plate. Like so. Look how amazing that looks. My face right now. Time for the signature move. Look how nice it looks.